Good afternoon, fitness family. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Keep on watching. Get motivated, work hard, eat healthy. Today I'm going to be working on the legs and the stomach. I've been running, I've been dragging this day today because I'm fighting a cold. I finally dragged myself here in the park. I just want to encourage you to do the same if you are not feeling well. But of course, if you are not so well, don't exercise. Okay, here we go. I'm doing a plank. Okay. You're holding for 1 minute. Make sure you don't put your bum up or so down. You won't be doing anything. It has to be a bit up. Suck in your stomach and be encouraged. The weather is beautiful. Thank God for that. When you finish with this one, or if you can't do this, you can. This is the alternative. You still suck in your stomach. Make sure the butt is a bit down. Again. Okay, we are done with that. We are now going to work on the legs. Should I start from there or this way? Wherever. Okay, I'm here with Robina recording. Okay, here we go. I'm doing squats, but this time you have to go down. Okay? You can even do that, and then you continue